How to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically open up your browser and go to instagram.com. So you want to go to instagram.com from your browser and not the app. Once you log in from your browser, come to your profile icon by tapping it from the bottom right. Then what you want to do is, after you come to the profile page, here you'll find the edit profile option, so make sure to tap on it. As you tap the edit profile option over here, you just scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom right, you will find temporarily deactivate my account. So you want to make sure to tap on temporarily deactivate my account option, and after you've done that, here you'll find the option called why are you deactivating your account. So right here you can select your reason, and then you can just enter your password, tap on deactivate, and your Instagram account will get temporarily deactivated. This way you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.